I got here, they were completely on another row, actually several rows away, and this is how fast they pick. These guys mean business when they're out here. They won't let me pick with them. I'm too slow. Yeah. Look at them go. They just kind of leapfrog each other and go. And they take it and dump it into this bin. Those beautiful grapes.
Yeah, it's hard, I guess, what it is. Tank, pressure washer.
Making him smile. It's early for him too.
You're making their night, you know, in your pajamas.
In my pajamas, I should have wore the ones I early had on.
Yeah, well, you still can't hurt productivity.
The pajamas they're referring to, by the way, Tweety Bird jammies. You like my pajamas?
Our estimate was 5 tons in here, so I think it's going to be right on schedule. 2, right? Yep. So it's going to be a little more. It's going to be probably 6, but I don't know. We'll see.
It smells good.
Some nice fruit right here.
Yeah. You guys have been picking a lot of fruit lately.
Yeah. A lot of fruit. We've been picking all sorts of varieties. Last night we picked Cabernet Sauvignon and Syrah, Cab Franc. This stuff's pretty nice.
That's good.
And
That's
nice
gorgeous. Nice cluster, yeah. Gorgeous. You like the Europa grapes?
Yeah. Yeah, they're nice. All of them.
Yeah.
This whole block's all Italian varieties, so
yeah.
Pretty nice. Pretty nice stuff. Hi, Jim.
How long have you been doing this?
About 9 years now.
Wow.
It's been that long, Jimmy? Yeah. Second time picking Barbera, though. That's it. That's it? Brand new for us. Yeah, you picked it right.
Behind the diamond tears she cries, along with the laugh track in her head. She's drinking California wine. Yeah, she lost her mind. I hear she's doing fine. She's all the time with California wine.
If you're not doing anything tonight, what do you got going?
Party?
More picking. More picking.
More picking.
Humidity and especially with the cloud cover. So if you try this fruit versus the other fruit, it tastes a little different, doesn't it?
Yeah, a lot different. I like it.
Yeah. So.
I do a lot of running around in circles. Get one done and then it's full and you got to turn around and get back out of here. Oh, there's Dennis.
gonna have to hop him back. Just like car. What's that?
It's down below.
Oh, on there.
Yeah. We're rolling, Dennis. This is live.
Oh shit. We gotta go. We gotta go.
Drinking California wine. Yeah, she lost her mind. I hear she's doing fine. She's all the time with California wine.
Okay, so JD, real quick, how do you think it went tonight?
What's that?
How do you think it went?
It's going great.
Yeah?
I mean, Barbera looked good. Grenache is coming out fine.
How many tons tonight?
5 tons of Barbera and 8 tons of Grenache.
Wow. That's good, huh?
We're just getting started.
We're just getting started, I know. On Europa, yeah. So you have, what other varietals next?
At Europa? Oh, we have Syrah, Mourvedre, more Grenache,
Mediterranean, Montepulciano,
Tournois. We got it all.
Got it all. So we're going to get that later this week, or?
We're going to be busy the next couple of days.
The Syrah is probably going to be next week.
Okay.
More Grenache, Mourvedre. That's going to be 3-4 weeks from now.
Oh, really?
So real late variety.
Oh, okay.
Same with this Tournois.
Okay.
Real late. Some of the little head train vines are going to be pretty close. Probably next week.
Okay.
Getting down,